Hello, hi everyone. Myself Pradeep. Today I welcome you all for a new investment option is about tax saving scheme. So it's about NSE. So in this video I will be covering about what is NSE and who can invest in NSE, the benefits in NSE, the withdrawal option in NSE, and the comparison of NSE with other tax saving schemes. What is NSE? NSE is a national savings certificate which is offered by the government of India. For it is a fixed investment instrument for a tax saving. The present interest rates which is offered by the government for NSE is 6.80%, but the government will be revising this rate of interest every 3 months or financial year ended. Who can invest in NSE? The people those who having a view about tax saving on their income, they can invest in NSE, and it is a safest and it will be generating a steady income throughout the maturity. The lock-in period for this NSE is 5 years, and you can open it in post office. For minor, you can open the account in post office with the joint account. So who can invest? All citizens of India can invest in this. NRI cannot invest in this NSE scheme. Benefits in NSE. So it is a fixed interest rate income which is having a lock-in period of 5 years. Tax, you will getting a tax exemption of 1.5 lakh rupees under the section of 80C, and you can start with a small of 1000 rupees by investing in NSE certificate scheme. You can open it in post office, and in coming to the interest rate, the interest is payable at the maturity. The amount of interest is generated in annual in the year. It will be compounded and reinvested on the principal amount. You will be getting it at the end of maturity, but you can use this scheme as a collateral to get a loan in any kind of a bank and NBFCs. These are the benefits. So coming to the withdrawal part in NSE, in National Savings Certificate, the withdrawal option is there only after a 5 years lock-in period. You will get the entire corpus of the amount what you have earned in NSE certificate. At the end of the maturity, it will be tax exempted. You will not be deducted any kind of a TDS on the entire amount of the maturity you will be getting in. So next, is there any premature withdrawal? There is no premature withdrawal. Only if there is a death and is there a court order will be there, and in that condition only you can get a premature withdrawal. Other than that, you will not be getting. So comparison of the NSE with all tax saving investment scheme. As you can see in the table, so the NSE is having a lock-in period of 5 years, and it is offering a rate of interest at 6.80 at the current interest rates, and it is low risk. The equity linked savings schemes which is offering a 12 to 15% of interest and lock-in period is 3 years. It is also market linked, but it's a market risk is there. And third one is NPS where the fluctuation in the returns will be there. It is a market linked. It is lock-in period is till retirement. Next is PPF. The PPF will be offered a rate of interest at 7.10. The lock-in period is 15 years and it is a low risk. And another one is there is FD. FD where the returns what will be generating is 5 to 7%. It is a 5 years lock-in period, depending upon the tenure which you are choosing, and it is a low risk. So these are the comparisons of NSE with all the tax saving schemes. But NSE, what is the advantage is that the lock-in period is 5 years, but that is the one advantage we can take in NSE. By this I am ending this video with NSE. This is the last tax saving investment scheme which I will be talking about. In the next I will be talking about a lot of investment options which is available other than tax saving schemes. By this I am ending this video. Thank you all. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the further videos.